Hi guys, it's Len here. I hope you're having a great day. Today I want to show you how I gave my old and boring office desk a new life and a new look. From this to this. And I'll show you how I made it possible. The first thing I did was to look for a tabletop that is as wide as the leg frame. I'm starting by making a 45 degrees cut on both sides of the tabletop. After making the cut, I am sanding the edge using an 80 grit sandpaper to eliminate sharp corners because I want the edges to be round and smooth. I am sanding down the whole surface to make sure it's smooth and free of sharp corners. I am now creating ridges, curves, and slopes, imitating a live edge wood. I am now using a 220 grit sandpaper, making sure the surface is much smoother. I can now see and feel the faux live edge. Now I'm drilling holes on 4 corners so I can anchor down the tabletop onto the leg frame using nuts and bolts. I'm also drilling holes on the tabletop so it matches the holes on the leg frame. I am now staining the tabletop with Kona. After staining the whole thing, I left it outside and let it dry for a couple of hours before attaching it onto the leg frame. I'm now installing the nuts and bolts to anchor down the tabletop onto the leg frame. Now you can see that the faux live edge is standing out. So guys, finally, after working with it for a few days, here is the finished product. I'm so happy that it came out so beautiful. Guys, you can have your own modern rustic desk like this. If I can make it, you can also make it. Just try to unleash the inner artist within you. Guys, I want to take the moment to congratulate Bonea Cruz for passing her financial advisor license. I also want to congratulate Diane Tsuchiyama for getting her certificate as an English teacher in Japan. So let's congratulate them, guys. Thank you for watching, and I want to see you soon. So hit the subscribe button below and let me know if you learned something from this video. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.